How to make money with forums in the simplest way possible. Let me show you how. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can make money with these two forums that I'm going to be sharing with you in the easiest way. So you probably can make up to, I don't know, probably $20-30 per day. This is not something super crazy, so you should not be expecting to make a living out of it, but it's a great side hustle that you can do beside your main business. So I'm going to show you how the process works. It's super simple. Even this video is not going to be that long, so stick with me until the end of it because you're going to learn so much. And then I'm pretty sure that anyone can do that. So without any further ado, let's get in here right now. But before that, if it's your first time on my channel, I want you to subscribe to my channel right now because it's going to help me more than you think, and it's going to take a second. So next time when I upload a video, you'll notify first one. So, and if you like this video, at the end of it, give me a thumbs up too. It's going to help me significantly. So let me show you what it is. So the first website that I want to show you is called BeerMoneyForum.com. So when you get into this website, guys, so let me just show you the front page. It looks like something like this. They have so many categories, so many options. So make money forum, and then you have crypto forum, investing forum, gambling community, which I highly recommend not to do that, internet marketing forum, URL shortener forum. There's so many other things that you can go for. And as you can see, for example, internet marketing forum, see 879 threads, more than 14,000 messages. So it's actually showing us that this forum is pretty active and people are actually posting on it. So they are answering each other's question. They are kind of interacting with each other, which is awesome. So you can just go for whatever you want for URL shortener or for your internet marketing forum. It doesn't really matter, but this is what it is. But keep in mind that we are not going to attend like one of these communities and keep posting there. This is not what we're doing here. So I'm going to show you what to do in the next few minutes. Stick with me. The next thing that I want to show you is this one, reddit.com /r/beermoney. So this is their account on Reddit, and look at this stat right here about community. They have more than 860,000 money makers and 462 people are online. So it's a really good indicator that these two forums are pretty active. People are posting there, they're interacting with each other, and you can just join. But as I said, this is not something we're gonna do here. Everybody's giving out their opinion, so we don't want to follow those opinions because this is not what you're doing here. So but I just want to show you how active these forums are. They are super awesome. But the next thing that we need to do right now is going to BeerMoney.com, BeerMoneyForum.com, and then you go to rewards. So when you go to this section, it's going to show you how you can make money from Beer Money Forum. So you get some points. For example, it says that points are the official virtual currency rewarded on BeerMoneyForum.com for being helpful, and 1,000 points is $1. So $1 US dollar is going to be equal to 1,000 points. So for example, if I go back to this section, you see that here they're saying that you shouldn't expect to make a living, but it's possible to make extra cash on the side for your habits or for your needs. So it's a little bit disclaimer, and this is something I mentioned in the beginning of my video. If you're looking for a way to make some easy cash, this is probably the way that you want to go for. So we have Reddit here, we have Beer Money Forum, and you can get paid $1 US dollar per 1,000 points. So 10 ways to earn points. The first one is earn 10,000 points per day on beersurveys.com. Earn 1,000 points per referral, which you should go to the tools section. So for each person you refer, you're gonna make $1. So I'm gonna show you how to do that exactly, how to drive so much traffic to your link to get paid $1 over and over and over. That probably makes you I don't know, $50 a week, something like this, if you're be super active on it. So earn 20 points per new reply. You know, there's so many other, there are more than 10 ways that you can earn points in order to get $1, which is only 1,000 points. It's not something crazy. So if you go to rewards, there are also the other sections right here, but I want to scroll down and there's a FAQ page right here. So if you click on FAQ page, it's going to answer all your questions that how exactly you can get paid by this method. So there are so many questions here. You can say that, can I buy points? And then you can buy like 3,000 points for $5. And if you want to do something on the website, but I don't really recommend to actually buy it because you don't need it. When I receive my payments are sent by 25th of each month, and the minimum threshold is $2. So you gotta make $2 in order to get paid. So to request a cash out, please use BMF shop. So if you click on it, this is where you withdraw your money. So I just want to show you all the process that how you can exactly cash out. But as you can see, there's so many ways, but no items have been created yet. Yeah, we need to register first. So we need to register here. I prefer to use one of my Google accounts. It's much easier for me. So I'm gonna probably go for this one. This is one of my test accounts. Just wanna give it a try and see what it works. Irfan MMS test, something like this. Location, Canada, and then I agree to terms. Boom. So we're gonna wait for 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and then we click on register to sign up first. And then after that, you go to rewards. You go to rewards here, and then you go to withdraw FAQ. So this is where it is, and then you click on BMF shop, and this is where you can get your link. This is how it is. So you get paid $25 by Bitcoin Cash, $10 Bitcoin Cash, $2 Bitcoin Cash, Payeer, Perfect Money, Skrill, Payeer again. See, these are the methods that you can get paid after making some cash. You know, you probably, as I said, I'm going to show you how to drive traffic, and this is the way. These are the ways that you can get paid. Perfect Money is the most common one, and then the rest of them, whatever that fits your needs or your, you know, whatever you have here. So the next thing is going to this section, click on your username, and after that go to account details. So after you sign up, you got to go to your account details when you find out everything that how exactly you get paid and all this kind of stuff. So you go to this section. After that, you go to your referrals. So you go to your referrals. This is this section right here. And then this is a link you need to promote in order to make $1 per new register. So you just go out and kind of share this link, and if anyone registers through your link, you're gonna get $1. So we're gonna copy this link, guys, and then the next thing we need to do is not coming to Reddit and just keep posting this link, because you know everybody knows what you're doing. You don't really want to do that. But the reason I wanted to show you the Reddit account is to kind of illustrate that how active this community is, and there's so many members too that are keep posting every single day. So you just need to copy this link, and then after that you gotta go to Quora.com. This is my primary source of I'm not saying primary source of income, because this is a website that you can just, you know, go and answer different questions for whatever question, for health and fitness, making money online, for whatever that you want to promote. So when I used to, back in the day, you know, a couple of months ago, when I used to promote a health and fitness product, I used to use this website a lot, because there's so many questions, there's so many members who are actively searching for something. So when you come to this website, you search for you gotta go to how to, let me make sure it's recording. Yes, how to make money online. And then you see that there are so many questions that people are asking. What's the easiest way to make money online? How do I make money online? What is the best way to earn money online? How do I make money online without spending money? This is a really cool thing, because you can literally go to this section and answer people's question, and you can just share your link, and if anyone signs up with your link, you're gonna get paid $1. So I think this is one of the this is exactly what we're doing. How do you make money online without spending money? And there's a guy promoting something. As you can see, this is a affiliate link because it starts with ref, and there's also a username right here. So, but the best thing is that to actually shorten your link first. So you have this link, shorten it, and then copy this link by using bit.ly. You go to bit.ly.com, shorten it, copy, get back to Quora, and then here you simply click on answer. You answer people's question, very, very informal, you know, because they shouldn't kind of smell that you're trying to promote them something. They say that, for example, if I want to do that, there are more than 100 answers and everybody's promoting different things. So, but you know, I'm just going to give it a try. But sometimes you can do something really, really good. So you can sort it out by time to post on forums that are more fresh. So for example, we can go for past week to see what comes up. How to make money online last week. Click on it. See how many answers? One answer. You can just literally go for it and answer this question. So I probably should go for, I don't know whether I can do that. I can just add my comment here. I can really answer that because I need to follow the page first. But I can go to probably this one, how to make money online 2021. I can go for this one probably. No answers yet. That's a cool thing. And you can just literally, oh, I think we need to add a comment. So, but for this one, I could answer it. So you got to play around with it to just sort it out. You don't want to put your link somewhere which is for 2014 or 2015. You got to actually find something which is super fresh. Here, you just write your answer that, hey there, making money online without spending a dime could be kind of, making money online without spending a dime could be kind of out of norm or unrealistic, something like this. You know, just want to push it back a little bit and then share your link. Making money online without spending a dime could be kind of out of norm, but I recently came across a website that actually pays you per referral, so you can get paid somewhere around $1 by just sharing your link to your friends, community, or community, etc. And then you literally copy and paste your link right here. See, BeerMoneyForum.com, and the link is bit.ly. So they don't really, I mean, they probably notice that it's an affiliate link, but you know, anyways, making money online without spending a dime could be kind of out of norm. But I recently came across a website that actually pays you per referral, so you can get paid somewhere around $1 by just sharing your link to your friends, community, etc. And this is probably one of the easiest method to make money from, and you can easily share the link to whoever you want. Oh, I mean, I don't really have to say that. This is probably one of the easiest methods to make money online, and you can easily do it everywhere with the easiest method. Boom. See? Not too long, not too pushy, not too salesy. Just, you know, one paragraph. I pasted my link, and then this is the last paragraph, and then we click on post. That's all you need to do. You know, this is what my post looks like. And then if it's a fresh thread, then so many people will see that, you know, because how to make money online is one of the hottest topics, and it's been around for like few years, but in 2020 and 2021 it's blowing up. So it's very good to go for such a niche, but feel free to do it for whatever you want. This is just one example. If you want to promote this forum specifically, you got to go to threads that talk about how to make money online, cryptocurrency, link shortening, how to make money with link shortening, like this kind of stuff. But if you want to go for health and fitness, I have so many other videos, guys, that you can check out. I talk about promoting different products, you know, health and fitness products on ClickBank. I have tons of videos. Feel free to check them out and let me know what you think about it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's gonna help me more than you think. And if you're interested in learning affiliate marketing, I finished my 300-page affiliate marketing book, which you can find the link exactly in the description. It's going to be the first link in the description, and just grab my book, go through everything. It's going to show you everything from A to Z for affiliate marketing. And if you have any question, I'll be more than happy to get back to you. You can always leave your comment in the comment section, or you can reach out to me personally via my email, which is irfan@digivio.com. It's DIGIVI.com. I much appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed the book. Have a good day.